Here is a big shout out on National Cleaners Day to the Mr. Kleen staff. You guys are doing an amazing job. Thank you for everything you do.
Hi, I'm Marie, Vice President of Finance. I want to thank each and every one of you for your hard work and dedication in keeping us healthy and safe.
Hello everyone, I'm Dianna Clark, the Vice President of Operations with Mr. Kleen Maintenance. I'd like to take a minute and thank all of our COVID heroes for your part in keeping us safe and healthy, not only during this crisis, but all the time. Thank you, we appreciate you.
Hi everyone, this is Susan Gabriel, and I'd like to start by saying that I am so proud to serve as the Human Resources Manager of Mr. Kleen. These are unprecedented times, but it's also a moment in time when heroes just like you are born. We're so proud and inspired by the way you've risen to the challenges of COVID-19 and would like to truly thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Please take care of yourself and your loved ones, and we will see you soon.
Thank you.